Hello everyone! The traditional festival Lantern Festival is coming this Sunday. During the Spring Festival or on any important date, Chinese people like to hang red lanterns in front of their homes to celebrate and hope for good luck. Today, we will learn how to make a lovely red lantern. The materials we need are colored paper, glue, and scissors. Step 1. Let's take a piece of red colored paper and fold it in half. Tear the paper folded in half. Take one half and make it into a cylinder and put it aside. Use your glue gently. Step 2. Take a new piece of paper and cut it into thin and long strips. Pay attention to the upper part and don't cut it. Step 3. Take one more piece of colored paper, cut it into long strips, and glue it to where the bottom of red paper is cut. Note that in order to prevent it from falling off, we need to glue it tightly and press it. Step 4. Take out the cylinder we just made. Enclose it with this paper. The surrounding length is the circumference of our cylinder. The excess part should be cut off. After cutting off the extra parts, we come to the surprising step. Step 5. Stick the pink strip on one side of the cylinder. Press the other side down to create a three-dimensional effect. And then stick it on. After finishing the body of the lantern, we use a long strip to make a handle. Congratulations! You made your lucky unique lantern. Now hang it to decorate your room. Hope good luck comes to you soon.